A history stretching back before the time of Christ. They were part of the Indus Valley civilization, now located in the southeast province of Pakistan called Sindh. During partition in 1947, when Pakistan became a separate country, most of the Sindhis fled their homes in fear for their lives and made India their new home. With them, they brought new cultures and traditions, a very important part of which was the Sindhi cuisine. In this episode, we discover the delicious and rich cuisine of the Sindhi community. So come along, let's cook and explore the simple yet tasty Sindhi cuisine. To start this episode on Sindhi food, I've come to Karachi Sweets near Khar station. Now, Khar is a place which is densely populated by the Sindhi community. We're going to start with snacks before we plunge into a whole Sindhi meal. Let me start with the Sindhi patties. It looks a bit like what is famously known as the ragda patties. So you've got a cutlet which is made out of potato, fried, with a gravy of chana, chole. Not only is the cutlet firm on the outside, crisp and soft on the inside, is the chana masala over here. The chana masala, which is what gives it a lot of flavor. This is a classical Sindhi breakfast. I know it looks rather heavy, but it is. This is the dal pakwan. Dal pakwan. Pakwan made, it's a big, huge puri, which is made out of maida with a little bit of jeera in it, and then deep fried and served with this lovely yellow dal. There is a celebration in a Sindhi house. You cannot have a celebration without one of these things, especially that one. That is a sev barfi. It's made out of sev like you normally buy, sev like as in chuda sev, with mawa in it, and they make a fantastic barfi. This is which is type of mawa, full of dry fruit and base. Crunchy say, is it a great way to oh. Green bell, pistachio, but very sweet. From pastries to I should really like. Now that we've had a good start to this episode, I think we should head straight to a friend's home and cook a good Sindhi meal. So for all of you who don't really know what Sindhi meal is, I'm going to teach you today. Come on, let's go. First of all, thank you for inviting me over. I've been meaning to ask this question, and I've asked this of most of my Sindhi friends, The Sindhi community has been an extremely prosperous community, They're very good at business and all. How come no Sindhi restaurants in Bombay of any value?
Actually, we don't have a state.
You don't have a state.
We don't have a state. So we are all over the world. So I guess that's why we don't know where to put it in one place where we know Sindhis will come.
Cuisine that the Sindhis eat today is pretty much heritage cuisine.
Heritage, absolutely.
Yes? I have learned it from my mom and my mother-in-law.
I was cooking since the age of 12.
Oh dear.
Shoved into the kitchen, now cook.
How is the food different from, say, any other region of India? The Sindhi food?
I guess it's the ingredients. The
Okay.
basic ingredients.
Okay.
Masala वही है.
हाँ.
Basic ingredient changes. Like we use a lot of besan.
What's on the menu today, if I may ask?
There is sai bhaji, which Manju is going to demo,
Okay.
and koki.
Sai bhaji and koki.
Koki is the paratha which you eat with the sai bhaji.
Okay.
And we'll be making the curry chawal.
Kadhi chawal. Okay. Superb. So I think shall we start heading to the kitchen and cooking?
Absolutely.
Chalo.
We're all over.
Let's go.